Blossoming career, a path to success. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, blossoming career. This phrase is often used to describe a phase in a professional's life, and understanding it can add a beautiful nuance to your English conversations, especially when talking about jobs and success. Before we dive into the phrase, blossoming career, let's first understand the word, blossoming. In nature, blossoming refers to flowers opening up and showing their beauty to the world. But when we talk about a person or a career, blossoming signifies growth, development, and reaching potential. It paints a picture of something that is not just growing, but flourishing and thriving. A blossoming career is a metaphorical expression. It describes a stage in a person's professional life where they are experiencing significant growth, success, or advancement. This can be through gaining new skills, achieving remarkable accomplishments, or receiving recognition in their field. When someone's career is blossoming, it's like watching a flower bloom, full of potential, beauty, and new opportunities. Let's put this phrase into context with some examples. 1. After years of hard work, Mia's career as a graphic designer is finally blossoming. She's being recognized for her innovative designs and has been promoted to lead designer at her firm. 2. Jake's career as a software developer is blossoming. He has developed a groundbreaking app that's gaining traction, and he's been invited to speak at international tech conferences. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe positive and upward movement in one's professional journey. Now, let's see how you can use this phrase in your conversations or writing. She's only been with the company for 2 years, but her blossoming career is a testament to her dedication and talent. As he received the award for Best New Artist, everyone applauded his blossoming career in the music industry. Understanding and using phrases like blossoming career can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express complex ideas elegantly. We hope this video has shed light on this beautiful phrase and that your own English learning journey is blossoming too. Until next time, keep learning and growing.